Hello everyone, let's dive into the Yoton ENP 7660B, a 600W full modular power supply designed for compact systems. This PSU is built with the K39 ITX case and gaming desktops in mind, offering a blend of power and efficiency in a small form factor. The ENP 7660B boasts a versatile connector setup, including a 20+ 4-pin and 12V output, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of components. This makes it suitable for various computing needs, from everyday tasks to demanding gaming sessions. One of the standout features is its low-noise cooling fan. This fan keeps the PSU running cool without generating excessive noise, which is a huge plus for gamers and users who value a quiet environment. It allows for an immersive gaming experience without the distraction of loud fan noise. With a 600W output, this PSU provides ample power for electronic video game computers. It ensures stable and smooth performance, even when running power-hungry components. The 110-264V input range adds to its versatility, making it suitable for use in different regions. The full modular design is another key advantage. It allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within the case. This is particularly beneficial in small ITX builds where space is limited. The Yoton ENP 7660B is a solid choice for anyone building a compact gaming rig or a small form factor PC. Its combination of power, quiet operation, and modular design makes it a standout option in the 1U Flex ATX PSU market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.